Barcodes make checkout faster and your shelves look professional. In this video, you will generate barcodes and print product labels. Open the barcode section from your product tools. You can create a barcode for a single product, or generate barcodes for many products in bulk at once. This saves time when you are labeling your whole inventory. First, choose the barcode format you want to use. Then pick the label paper size that fits your printer. Now decide what information appears on each label. Choose whether to show your store name at the top. Choose whether to print the product name on the label. Choose whether to include the price for the customer to see. A preview helps you check the label looks right. When you are happy, send the labels to your printer. Print a full sheet or just the labels you need. You can also export the labels as a file to print later. Stick the labels on your products and you are ready to scan. Scanning barcodes at the till speeds up every sale. In the next video, we will manage low stock and inventory control.